Yeah, the question is first you are going to try it, then we'll be discussing it. The question is, it is given that angle XYZ is equals to 64 degree and XY is produced to point P. Draw a figure. Figure is not given. In mathematics, in this type of question, when the figure is not given, it's more difficult. First, we have to draw the figure perfectly and then we have to think about the solution. Okay, so it says that draw a figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, find angle XYQ and reflects angle QYP. Reflex we were discussing in the first class. We understand reflex. But first thing first over here, we have to draw the figure. Can you please draw the figure? Try it. Sara, Sazia, Ayan, Farhan, Irshad, please try it at first. Then we will be doing it together. Please try it. Are you able to do it? Are you? Anyone trying over here? Otherwise, we can start discussing.
Ma'am, I'm not getting it.
Okay, let's do it. So as I said, first we need to draw the figure perfectly. If the figure is not correct, it will be like after that, whatever we will think, everything we will go in a wrong direction. Okay, so let's draw the figure. It says that it is given that angle XYZ is there. Okay, angle Y, it is talking about angle Y. Angle Y. We don't know how exactly XYZ looks like, but angle Y is there somewhere. That angle is given as a 64 degree. Name is angle XYZ. From the first line, this much only we are getting. From the first line, this much only we are getting. And XY is produced to P. Okay, XY is extending. Produce means extend XY till P. Extend XY till P. Now draw figure from the given information. This is Y. This is Y. Draw figure from the given information if ray YQ. Okay, there is a ray YQ as well. So ray YQ bisect which angle? Clearly written. I was about to tell you that YQ ray is there. So maybe here YQ is there. Maybe here YQ is there. We don't know. But here it is written that YQ is bisecting which angle? Angle ZYP. ZYP. So YQ is here. Let's start from the very beginning. It is given that angle XYZ. I don't know how exactly XYZ looks like, but since I'm trying to make an angle, how we will make an angle? Like this? Like this we will make an angle and we will name it XYZ. Now, XY is produced to P. Producing means what? Extending. We are extending the side XY till P. So we have extended it. Okay, this is X. This is Y. This is P. If ray YQ bisect ZYP, ray YQ is bisecting the angle ZYP. You all understand angle ZYP is this angle. You all understand that, right?
Yes.
So ray YQ is bisecting that angle. That means this and this is given as the same. That is the meaning of bisecting. The angle is getting divided into two equal parts. Then find angle XYQ. XYQ. Okay, this complete angle we have to find. Can you see it? First thing first is figure. If the figure is correct, then only you can think in right direction. This angle XYQ we have to find. And the reflex of QYP, reflex of this angle, reflex of this angle. So basically this angle we have to find and this angle we have to find. Once after finding QYP, we will be able to find the reflex of that, right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can we take the ray P or Q upwards also?
Yeah, anyway, we can draw the figure. Suppose I have started drawing the angle like this, then also it will be correct. If you have started drawing the angle like this, then also it will be correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Figure can be like this. I have drawn. We can tilt it. We can make it like this. We can make it like this. We can make it like this. Anyway, we can just revolve the figure. It will not make any difference. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is how I have drawn the figure. Your figure can be here and there, tilted here and there, but exactly same way it has to be there. Are you getting it? How to approach the drawing part? How to make the figure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now let's continue. We understand that we have to find angle X, Y, Q and reflex of this. Anyone what to do over here now? Any idea what to do over here? What to do? Yeah, what to do over here? Can we say all together it's a linear pair?
Yes.
Can we?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can we say this all together it's a linear pair?
Yes, ma'am.
This complete angle is 180 degree. So 64 degree plus black, again same black. We can call it x. We can call it x. So can we say 64 plus x plus x? It's a linear pair. Can we?
Yes, ma'am.
From here, take out the value of x and let me know what are you getting.
I'm 58 degree. X is equal to 50.
Everyone getting x as a 58 degree. Now can you find angle XYQ? What is XYQ?
I'm 122 degree.
64 plus 58, yeah, 122. Angle XYQ, if everyone understand which one is XYQ, it is nothing but 64 degree plus x. And x you are telling me it is 58 degree. Okay, so from here we will be getting XYQ. And what is the reflex of QYP? What you said, Sarah?
I'm 302.
Is it 302? Let's check it. 360 minus 58. Yeah, 302. Yes. Any confusion so far? Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
No,
No, ma'am.
ma'am.
Got it? So this is how we will be solving this one. You could also have taken that we are having a straight line XYP, XYP. On that there is a ray YQ. A ray is standing on a line. There was a theorem. When a ray is standing on a line, then sum of adjacent angle will be 180 degrees. Sum of adjacent angle will be 180 degree. That is the linear pair only. We are having the another version of linear pair in a theorem form. In a theorem form, we are having the linear pair, which says that when a ray is standing on a line, just a second. Yeah. Another pair of linear pair is another version of linear pair is when a ray is standing on a line, the sum of adjacent angle is 180 degree, and that's what we call it as a linear pair. So like this also you could have done it. It's the same thing. We have taken linear pair like this only. Now the next concept. So far, any confusion to anyone?
No, ma'am.
Now the next concept
No,
over
ma'am.
here, as we were talking about, when we are having a pair of line, chances are both the line will intersect or both the line will be parallel. When both the line will intersect, we have already discussed all the cases. Okay, vertically opposite angle and everything. Now when both the line will be parallel, that's what we are going to discuss now. So when we are having two lines, and when there is a transversal like this, when we are having two lines, let's say line L and line M, and when there is a transversal whose name is N, okay, two lines we are having, line L and L M N. L is there, M is there, N is there. We don't know. L and M are parallel. We don't know L and M on two line, and I'm calling you one of the lines name is L, another line's name is M. Okay, now this angle and this angle, let me name it. Suppose we are calling angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Here angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. So for now I'm going to say, that angle 1 and angle 5 is called corresponding angle. 1 and 5 are called pair of corresponding angle. What is the meaning of corresponding angle? Both the angles are at same place. If you will focus, you will find that both angles are at same place. Okay, on the upward part of the line. The first line L we are having, transversal is coming like this. On the upper part we are having one of the angle. Similarly, if you will focus on M, the same transversal is continuing, and you will find on the upper part we are having another angle, and this angle is named as 1, this angle is named as 5. Both are at the same place on the upward part, in the same direction on the right side of transversal, and that's why we are calling it corresponding, pair of corresponding angle. Similarly, let's focus on the downward part. Can you tell me what can be the other pair of corresponding angle? Anyone?
Angle 4 and angle 8.
Exactly. What else? Angle 4 and 8 are also corresponding.
Angle 3 and 7 and angle 2 and 6.
Exactly. Angle 3 and 7. Angle 2 and 6. All the same place angle in the same side we have taken, and we are calling these are the pair of corresponding angles. Now let me tell you one thing. If L is parallel to M, then this corresponding angles will be equal. If L is parallel to M, then this corresponding angles will be same. It has to be same. And if L is not parallel to M, then still the names are corresponding angle only. 1 and 5 are corresponding angle only. But this time, these two corresponding angles will not be same. It's a pair of corresponding angle. It's a pair of corresponding angle. Few students misunderstood that we can only use the terminology corresponding angle when we are having parallel line. No. Whenever we are having two lines cutted by a transversal, those two lines, even if those are parallel line, not parallel line, doesn't matter. We are having pair of corresponding angle. Now, if parallel line is there, then those corresponding angle will be same. If not parallel lines are there, then still 1 and 5 are corresponding angle, but this time it will not be same. This time it will not be same. Am I making sense to all of you?
Yes.
Getting it? Okay. So pair of corresponding angles are 1 and 5, 2 and 6, 4 and 8, 3 and 7. If the lines are parallel, this pair of corresponding angle will be same. If the line L and M is not parallel, then this pair of corresponding angle. Listen to me carefully. I am saying if the lines are not parallel, still I am using the terminology corresponding angle. Will not be same. Okay. Like that, we will be learning all the remaining angles. Now we will be talking about alternate interior, alternate exterior angles. Again, I would name angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. Now tell me, here if we will be taking the same L, M, and alternate angles, pair of alternate angle will be alternate interior. First tell me alternate interior. Can we say that angle 3,
1, 2 and angle 2 and 8.
exactly 2 and 8 are alternate interior angle. Three and which angle are?
5.
Angle 5.
See, I am making the list. I'm not saying whether it is same or not. I'm just making the list. Alternate interior. What alternate exterior? If I will say
4 and 6.
4 and angle 4 and angle 6.
exactly,
Angle 1, angle 7.
exactly. Okay. Now again, I would repeat the same. That if L and M are L is parallel to M, then this alternate interior angle will be same. So angle 2 has to be same with angle 8. If L and M are parallel, alternate interior. Okay, angle 3 will be equals to angle 5. Alternate interior angle. Similarly, if L is parallel to M, then angle 4 and angle 6 will be same. Alternate exterior angle. Okay, angle 1 will be equals to angle 7. Alternate exterior angle. Now, if L is not parallel to M, then still alternate interior, alternate exterior, but this time it will not be same. Here also I can write alternate interior, but these are not same. Alternate interior, but these are not same since L and M are not parallel. Is it clear so far? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Let's continue. Now, suppose we are having L, M. There is a transversal length. Then this angle, suppose angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Again 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this time what we can say, this angle 2 and angle 5 are interior angle on the same side, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Check it, it's on same side. Whatever I am writing in statement form, it's making sense. Okay, it's on same side and it's interior. Interior means inside. Okay, inside angle. Angle 3 and which angle are interior angle on same side?
8.
Yes, it's interior angle on same side. So these are the pair of interior angle on same side. Now when L is parallel to M, or we also call it as a co-interior angle. See, we also call it as a co-interior angle. Co-interior. Here also, we also call it as a co-interior. If L is parallel to M, then this pair of co-interior angle, here angle 2 plus angle 5, sum will be 180. We will call that these two angles are supplementary with each other. That means sum of these two angles will be 180 degree when L is parallel to M. Okay. Similarly, angle 3 plus angle 8, sum will be 180 degree when L is parallel to M. Interior angle on the same side. Angle we will write like this, on same side. Sum will be 180 degree. Okay, co-interior angle is also the another name, or we also call it co-interior angle. Okay. CO and then like this, we have to write interior. If L is not parallel to 1, then this sum is not 180 degrees. Still it's a pair of co-interior, but its sum is not 180. Anyone having any confusion so far?
How the pair is not 180 because it's a linear pair.
It's not linear pair. Check it. I'm talking about this angle. Is it this one and this one linear pair? If I will draw a straight line and one of the angle is here, one of the angle is here, is it a linear pair?
No, sorry.
Okay, it's not linear pair. Check it. Focus on line N only. N. And these two are completely in like different directions. So we can say it's not linear pair. Yeah, however, 1 plus 2 is a linear pair, we can say. Because I am saying that N is a straight line. Okay. 1 and 2 is a linear pair. 5 and 6 is a linear pair. That we can say. So many other linear pairs are here. Linear pair you should understand since we have already covered that part. But here these are the angles which we are talking about. Co-interior angle. Interior angle on the same side of transversal. Same side what? Same side of transversal. Transversal we are having, on the same side we are having interior angle. That's called interior angle on the same side. Sum will be 180 degree. Or co-interior angle, sum will be 180 degree when two lines are parallel with each other and there is a transversal. Clear so far?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's start solving the questions. Let me write the instruction given in the given figure. You are going to try it. Find the value of x. Then show that do it. Do it.
Ma'am, X and Y are corresponding, so the line AB and line CD is parallel.
Let's check it. Everyone done? What is the, how will we get the value of X?
Ma'am, linear.
Yes, so what is X value?
Ma'am, 130 degree.
130. What is Y?
Ma'am, 50. Ma'am,
50? Y is 50?
no, ma'am, 130.
It will be 130 by which property?
Alternative interior angle.
No. Y, how you got Y as a 130?
Ma'am, vertically opposite angle.
Exactly, vertically opposite angle with this. With angle, let me, I think I'm missing the name. Okay, so nothing is mentioned. So this is 130 degrees. So obviously this will be 130 vertically opposite angle. We can see over here. We have to prove where AB and CD are parallel. First we have to find X. Then we have to find Y. And on the basis of X and Y value, we have to show that AB and CD are parallel. So how we will start with the solution? So what we will do, we will write it like this. That we understand that X plus 50 degree is equals to 180 degree. Here we will write linear pair. And from here we will say that X value we are getting as a 130 degree. Now we will say that Y will also be 130 degree vertically opposite angle. Now we will say that since X and Y are same, we are having two lines, AB and CD. There is a transversal and vertically opposite angle are same. So if we are having two line, there is a transversal also and vertically opposite angle, alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. If these two angles are same, then obviously line AB and CD has to be parallel line. That's what I was telling you. Still the name is alternate interior only. But it will, if it is same, then lines are parallel. If it is not same, lines are not parallel. Getting it? So we will write like this. Since
Yes.
X is equals to Y and both are 130 degree, therefore, and here we will write alternate interior angle. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD. That's it. Any confusion? Anyone having any confusion?
No.
Let's do the next part, next question. In the given figure, AB is parallel. If AB is parallel to CD, EF is perpendicular on CD, and angle GED is equals to 126 degrees. Find angle AGE, angle GEF, and angle FGE. try it first, then only we will be discussing this one.
Is angle GEF 36 degrees?
GEF. Okay, Sarah, you are getting this as a 36 degree. How?
126 minus 90 degrees.
Yeah. Yes, Sarah. ZED is given. So yes, it's given a perpendicular. EF is perpendicular. So yeah, it's correct. Next.
Ma'am, angle AG is equals to 126 degree because 180 minus 120, 120.
AGE is 126. How you got that, Sazia?
Ma'am,
AG.
54, 54.
Can you please again repeat?
Ma'am, 54 degree actually.
Which one? AG is 54?
Yes.
We will be discussing it. Okay, we are going to discuss it. Yes, Ayan and Farhan, what about you, Irshad? AB and CD are parallel lines. AB and CD are parallel lines. I'm going to show you something. Are you trying, Irshad?
Yes, ma'am, I'm trying.
Have you got any angle from here?
Ma'am, second one I got.
Yeah, it is perfect. Yes, Sarah, it's correct. It will be 36. Let's check it. AB and CD are parallel. AB and CD are parallel. And a transversal. We can say G works like a transversal, or maybe FE also works like a transversal. So if G works like a
Ma'am,
transversal.
Ma'am, AGE angle AGE is 126.
Let's check it. This complete is given to us as a 126. Can we say this will also be 126? Can we? Which angle we are getting? Tara, Sazia, Ayan, Farhan, Irshad. Which angle we are getting over here?
Ma'am,
These two orange colored. Yeah, tell me.
alternate indeed.
Exactly. These two orange lines are parallel line. If I will stretch the transversal, can you see it? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
So both will be 126 degree. Why? Because AB and CD are parallel and GE acts like a transversal. We know that when parallel line we are having, then pair of alternate interior angle has to be same. So if GED is 126 degree, then AGE will also be 126 degree, right? Any confusion so far? Anyone
No,
having
No,
any
ma'am.
confusion?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now what GEF? GEF. Yes, Sarah already said it. GEF. Here we know that EF is perpendicular. So this much is 90 degree. Okay. Total is 126. So 126 minus 90 will give us GEF and we got it as a 36 degree. Okay. So this one we got as a 126 degree. This one we got as a 126 degree. This one we got as a 36 degree. Now the question is, what is FGE? FGE. Who will say? Who will say?
Ma'am, is it 36 plus x is equal to 180? Is it correct?
54
36 plus X plus what?
is FGE 54.
Plus x is equal to 180. We can do like that.
But we cannot say oh, both are X. If you are taking the concept of triangle, are you taking the concept of triangle?
Yes, ma'am.
Triangle GEF? Yes, Sarah, I am coming to you as well. Triangle GEF, if you are taking, then you are trying to say angle E over here is 36. Angle G you are assuming as X. And what about angle F? This
Ma'am,
angle.
that ma'am, 90.
Yeah. This is one of the way. And Sarah, tell me the other way.
Is it
Yes, Sarah, you were saying something.
54 degrees?
How?
180 is equal to 126 plus x.
Exactly. So, linear pair. Angle AGE plus angle FGE are making linear pair, that is 180 degree. So from here also we can directly get the value. From both way we will be getting the same answer. Be careful. That is one of the way by taking the triangle GF, and this is the other way by taking the linear pair. You just have to identify. So anytime if you are not understanding, yes, is it clear to everyone? Will you be able to just do it completely from starting to ending by yourself one by one? Will you be able to show the angles? Will you be able to find the angles, or shall I write it over here?
we can
Sarah,
do.
Ma'am, can you write that angle FGE? I didn't understand that.
FGE, you can take it as a linear pair. Can you see this complete angle?
Yes, ma'am.
So this side it is 26 degree. So we are saying the remaining we can find by linear pair. See, I am just overwriting. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
FGE means this much, only this much. So 126 plus x is 180 degree. 126 plus x, 126 plus x is 180 degree. X you can find from there. Or who was saying this approach? Farhan or Irshad? The triangle one? Irshad, right?
I'm Irsha. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Irshad. Yes, Irshad said that rather than doing this one, instead of doing this one, this is one of the way. Okay, we can do this way. Irshad said that instead of doing this way, we can also do it other way. So this is method two is you can take the triangle GEF, and here clearly it is written that EF is perpendicular on CD. Okay, EF is perpendicular on CD, so this EF will be perpendicular on AB also. Why? Because AB and CD are parallel lines. Here 90 degree we will be having. It is only the case of parallel line. When two parallel lines you are having, and here you are dropping the perpendicular and you are just extending the line. This line is perpendicular over here, then this line will be perpendicular over here also. Okay, and hence we can take it as a 90 degree over here. We can take F as a 90 degree, and we can focus on triangle GEF, where angle E is 36 degree, F we are saying it is 90 degree, and angle G, this X, we will be able to find by angle some property of the triangle. Are you getting it, Farhan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ayan, are you getting?
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you getting it, Ayan? Now I'm asking that, do I have to write each